Hi vlog, welcome to my guys.
This will be the intro. So it's still a German vlog. We have to do it serious. Moin, Timon here with a new vlog out of my life in the Philippines. And as you can hear, it will be in English because you were bothering me so much. And so I agreed with my friend Jay here, who had invited me for this amazing island trip. We're gonna go to Siquijor. We arrived here today, and then we're gonna move on probably to Bohol and at the end to Cebu. Gonna do some diving there. But we also have another guest here, which is a German as well. So it's even more ridiculous that I have to do this vlog in English right now because the ratio of Germans to Filipinos or English-speaking people is 2 to 1. Anyways, just enjoy this vlog. I will just show you a little bit around in different locations as Siargao from the Philippines. So as you can see, this is our accommodation. We are right here in front of the beach and we have a very nice sunset today. Not super good, but very enjoyable. After traveling the whole day, we're gonna spend a quiet evening here today, I think so. And Adam is taking some nice drone shots. So maybe I can even implement this in the vlog, no? What the fuck? Nice. Good morning, friends. Here we go again. Second day in Siquijor. And we're going to start today's trip having some breakfast here. Filipino breakfast with rice for sure.
Yeah, of course.
Jay has got some rice, squid. That's it?
Yep.
Adam, rice, vegetable, squid as well. And kinilaw, so this kind of fish here with the rice and vegetable for me. Typical Carinaria style. Different dishes where you can choose a few things and then kind of create your own meal with all together. And then we're gonna go to the waterfall.
Just gonna go for a swim. They're going to go for a
Good job.
Fuck! I fucked it up. I knew it. Like, if the spin is from this height, sometimes I can't manage to stop the spin right in time, so I just crashed on my back. But at least I tried it, so I'm so happy. The tourist destroys what he's looking for by finding it. This is a quote I have seen or have read recently, and especially in moments like this, I'm thinking about this. I really enjoy to be here, jumping into the water, enjoying this waterfall. Beautiful area. And at the same time, it's so crowded. It's just too full. It just makes everything so noisy. So overexciting, kind of. It would be maybe even more enjoyable if it's just quiet. You can just listen to the waterfall. You would not hear like people shouting around, screaming around. So no offense, I'm also here as a tourist. I place my camera here, I'm recording, I'm having fun. Yeah, it's just like this small thing of serious talk, of real talk. I always edit into my vlogs because I'm also a thinker or overthinker, I would say. And I remember this really, and it always has these two sides. Of course, there are super nice places in the nature or wherever, and people like to see this, like to go there, enjoying this place, and then it gets developed, and they set up a tower where you can jump from. They set up a boat or whatever, and then at some point it changes. I feel like it just gets too much, and the place loses the spirit or the feeling it would has without all this. Yeah, but I think that's it. You can't maintain something if it's beautiful, like what the quote says in the beginning. If someone found it, it's already destroyed. Everybody's looking for this hidden place where nobody is, but nobody means nobody, and not just me. Then it's already one person there, and if one person will find it, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10,000 people will find it. It's just a small issue or just an interesting thing for me. I don't know. I just wanted to add this small piece of real talk into the vlog. Let me know, how do you think about this? What are your thoughts about these touristy places where you want to go, even if it's very beautiful? Does this bother you, or you don't care about this? You see like this is it, and yeah, if you want to have the hidden place, maybe you have to go on your own even further and then find this one. Okay, second location for today, Sambulawan underground river. So we're gonna go down now into this river in the dark with the equipment, swimming halfway through, checking this stalagmites, stalactites, whatever's going on there. Let's see. This is the perfect tripod, holding him beside.
That's the sound. There's gold and silver in here. What? There's gold and silver in here.
Then you can keep left because your aura has the website.
Do the vlogging, do your vlogging. Tell something.
Hello.
I'm not gonna see you
Why?
because your light is on. Yeah, but that's better.
Damn it, I switched to the lowest light setting.
Here we are again, last stop for today. It's just a beach with this huge rock. We can do some cliff diving, cliff jumping. What is it called? Salagdoong Beach. So we're gonna jump down from this one and swim a little bit, snorkeling. And as you can see, everybody's super exhausted. Adam is sleeping already. But that's the last stop for today. Then on the way back, quick stop to enjoy the sunset. And then we're gonna fall asleep like that. there another place to jump?
Yeah.
Higher? But I'm a little bit scared if it's too high. Last time we have been there. This felt like maybe 3-4 meters, 5 meters maximum. I don't think so, even 5. Let's see this one. Oh my god.
It's quite high.
Oh, wee. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Come on. Just go straight, run, jump.
Let's go. Nice, no? Yeah. You fucker! You let me jump the big one and then you took the small one. I'm like, what the fuck?
I can jump also here.
Okay. Oh, I survived it once. This is enough. I survived it once. This is enough. Okay, we arrived in Paliton Beach and we'll enjoy the sunset here. What was your highlight for the day?
The drive here at the sunset time.
The drive here at the end?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Why the drive?
So many scenic places.
That's why he's so slow.
I wanted to stop 20 times while we were riding.
But it was really nice, yeah. I also like this sometimes, just watching the rice field or whatever, just
Yeah.
having this.
Cannot go so fast, otherwise you will miss everything.
Yeah. Ah, this is why. Okay. What about you, Jay? Any highlight?
The cave.
The cave. Really? What the
Yeah, I
fuck?
enjoy it.
No, the cave. I don't know.
Why?
No, not for me.
I like it.
It was.
He likes
It was
because
funny.
he's a caveman.
Stupid. Ah, yes.
How about you?
The drive in the cave. What is about me? I feel like the beach. I really like the beach. Did a little bit of snorkeling. Even would it be nicer to have seen
And
more.
also like the,
But this
the
gave me.
castle swing.
Ah, yeah, it was nice. But I still like the beach more, the last one.
Okay.
Give me the flashbacks of the snorkeling what I did in Koh Tao so much. So I really like this. And I'm looking forward for diving in a few days.
Okay. Riding with the treasure shack. Tomorrow we're gonna do some fate healing.
Fake healing. Okay, yes.
Fate healing. It's not fake
Yeah,
healing.
yeah.
Fate.
Fate.
Yeah.
I thought fake.
No, it's fate.
It's still fake. It's still
Fate
fake.
and fake.
It's just...
Let's see. Okay, nice.